Today at by Andrea Jensen, this delicious chicory casserole that my kids love to eat. The chicory is mashed together with the potatoes, bacon, sage and cheese. And then the mash is rolled into sliced ham. Sprinkle some cheese on top and bake it in the oven. And you've got a delicious dinner, for sure. We're going to preheat our oven to 390 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. And then we're gonna peel our potatoes. Peel 2 pounds, 1 kilogram of potatoes and wash them. Quarter the largest potatoes so that all potatoes get the same size. That way they will be done at the same time. Take 3 heads of chicory and slice the bottom off. Then halve the chicory and slice the core from the chicory. That way you get rid of the bitter flavor. Slice the leaves into thin strips and wash. And repeat those steps for every head. You bake the bacon in a dry frying pan until it's brown and crispy. Put the potatoes in a pan with 2 inches, 5 centimeters of water and bring to a boil. After 10 minutes, add the strips of chicory and let everything boil for another 10 minutes. Drain the potatoes chicory and put everything back into the pan. And now it's time to mash the potatoes and the chicory. Puree the potatoes and chicory with a masher. Don't use an electrical mixer, otherwise you will get something that looks like glue. Mix the mash with 1 tablespoon of butter, 3 ounces, 75 grams cubed Gouda cheese, 2 tablespoons finely sliced sage and the crispy bacon. For this casserole, use the best deli ham that you can find. You need about 8 slices of ham. And now the mash is ready, we are going to fill the ham. Take a slice of ham and lay that in front of you. Put 3 tablespoons mash on one side and start rolling. Put the ham roll into a casserole dish. Repeat this for all the ham slices. Then take 5 ounces of grated Gouda and sprinkle it on top. And now we're gonna bake this casserole in the oven for 20 minutes. This casserole recipe is enough for 4 persons, but if you're in need for more, you can go to my website. It's got a great feature which will do the scaling for you. Thank you for watching this video. The full recipe can be found in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment on this video. At my blog and at my channel you can find over 100 delicious recipes that are all easy to prepare. And with one thing in mind, it's a good taste. Bye!